Hermes plus Xiaomi or free AI agents. BMO V2 Pro just dropped. You're paying for AI tools you don't even need. You're setting up agents that reset every single session. You're rebuilding the same workflows over and over. And the whole time, there's a free tool sitting right there that actually remembers everything. That changes today, because Noose Research just dropped something big, and you need to know about it right now. Hey, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie. Help people learn how to actually use AI tools to work smarter, automate the boring stuff, and build better processes. And today we're breaking down the Noose Research and Xiaomi partnership, specifically how you can get Xiaomi's flagship AI model, BMO V2 Pro, completely free inside Hermes Agent for 2 weeks. A credit card, or paid tier. Before we get into that, let me tell you what Hermes Agent actually is, because if you haven't heard of it yet, you're going to want to stick around. This thing is different from every other agent tool out there. So what is Hermes Agent? Built by Noose Research, released in February 2026. Open source, MIT licensed, and on your server. A $5 VPS is enough. But here's what makes it different. Most agents are just chatbot wrappers. You type something in, you get a response, the session ends, and the agent forgets everything. Start again tomorrow. Do it all over. Hermes is not that. Hermes has what they call a closed learning loop. Every time it completes a task, it writes a skill document. A reusable file that tells it how to handle that kind of task next time. It stores everything in persistent memory. Every conversation, every project, every piece of context you've ever given it. And it all happens automatically. No manual configuration, no YAML files. The longer you run it, the better it gets. It connects to Telegram, Discord, Slack, WhatsApp, Signal, and email, all from a single gateway. So you can message your agent from your phone while it's running tasks on a cloud server you never even log into. It has over 40 bundled skills out of the box, covering things like GitHub workflows, research automation, and machine learning operations. It supports over 200 AI models through Noose Portal, OpenRouter, or any OpenAI-compatible endpoint. Switch models anytime with one command. Code changes. Since launching, Hermes has picked up over 32,000 GitHub stars and over 200 contributors. That's how fast this community is growing. Here's where it gets interesting. April 7th, 2026, Noose Research announced a partnership with Xiaomi. They've brought Xiaomi's BMO V2 Pro model directly into Hermes Agent through the Noose portal. Completely free on the free tier for 2 weeks. So what is BMO V2 Pro? It's Xiaomi's flagship AI model. For 1 trillion total parameters. 1 million token context window. That context window means it can hold long documents, tool call histories, and multi-step plans all in a single pass. It was built specifically for agentic work, not just answering questions, actually completing tasks, planning, using tools, recovering from errors, making decisions across multiple steps without needing you to hold its hand the whole way. Inside Hermes, BMO V2 Pro handles tasks like compression, summarization, and vision processing, things that used to require paid API access or a separate tool. And from what testers are reporting, it performs comparably to models they've previously been paying for. I want to pause here for a second. When I first started using Hermes, I was honestly overwhelmed. So many configuration options, so many models to pick from. I kept second guessing whether I was using it the right way. That's when I created a community called AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. What helped me most was seeing how other people were using these tools in real workflows, not theory, actual setups. Which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link is in the description. Okay, back to the integration. It's exactly how to get BMO V2 Pro running in Hermes right now. Step 1. If you don't have Hermes installed, it's one command. Curl the install script from the Noose Research GitHub and run it. It's on Linux, macOS, or WSL2. It installs everything automatically. No prerequisites needed. Step 2. Run Hermes update. The release that includes BMO V2 Pro is version 0.8.0, which dropped on April 8th, 2026. That command gets you there. Step 3. Create a free account on the Noose Portal. That's Noose Research's model hub. The free tier is what unlocks BMO V2 Pro. Step 4. Inside Hermes, pick Noose Portal as your provider. First time it gives you a URL. Open it in your browser, authorize the device once, and every model on the portal becomes available inside Hermes. Step 5. Scroll to Xiaomi BMO V2 Pro, select it, and you're done. Hermes saves the selection. The model name shows up in responses so you can confirm it's active. After the trial period, you can switch to another model on the portal or upgrade to a paid tier. And anytime you want to swap models, just run Hermes model. Instant switch, no reconfiguration. Let me cover what else landed in this latest release, because no research packed a lot in here. Version 0.8.0 came with 209 merge pull requests and 82 resolved issues. They're calling it the intelligence release. Background task auto notifications. Start a long-running process like model training or a deployment and the agent gets notified when it finishes. Or polling. It keeps working on other things and picks up the result when it lands. With model switching across all platforms. Swap your active model mid-session without restarting anything. Useful when you want a fast model for quick tasks and a heavier one for deeper work. Optimize GPT and codex guidance. The agent ran behavioral benchmarks on itself, identified 5 failure modes, and patched its own system prompts. Learning loop working exactly as designed. Native Google AI Studio integration. You can now connect directly to Google AI Studio as a provider. Smart inactivity timeouts. Instead of cutting tasks based on a wall clock, it now tracks actual activity. And running tasks don't get killed mid-execution. Approval buttons for Slack and Telegram. Approve agent actions directly from the message thread without switching context. CP OAuth 2.1 support. Cleaner authentication for anyone connecting Hermes to external tools via Model Context Protocol. Here are some practical ways to use this combination right now. Research monitoring. Set up a cron job in plain language inside Hermes, pointed at sources you care about. User in the community set up automated monitoring of trending open source AI topics across Reddit and X, delivered as a structured morning report to their Discord. Assistant coding assistant. Coding partner that actually remembers the code base, your conventions, and the deployment pipeline between sessions. Doesn't reset every time you open a terminal. Document analysis. BMO V2 Pro's 1 million token context window means you can feed it multiple long documents in a single pass. Research papers, technical specs, legal documents, and get structured analysis across all of them at once. Automated task pipelines. Hermes can spawn sub-agents to handle parallel work streams. You give it a goal, it delegates and coordinates the steps, and you get the result. So here's what I'd do. Install Hermes if you haven't. Run Hermes update. Set up the news portal. BMO V2 Pro running. And use it on something you actually do every day that takes time. Build a skill document from that task. Come back the next day. See how it handles it differently. That's when the learning loop clicks. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working? What's not? Which tools are worth your time? Which ones to skip? No hype. Just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in the description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links are in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are crushing it with AI. That's everything. Test it. Let me know what you build.